In this video, we are going to see how we can create these kind of rounded bar charts in Tableau. It's very simple to do. It involves only a couple of steps. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to insert a brand new worksheet just to show you from the starting, and let's name it as rounded bar charts. Now we already know how we can create a simple bar chart. Once we have this canvas to work on, what we'll do is let's decide any criteria for the rows and columns. So in the rows, let's put regions, and in the columns, let's put the sales amount. So we have a simple bar chart, which is good. We can sort it however we want. What if we want to convert this bar chart into a rounded chart? For that, it's very simple to do. In the columns, we will insert one more field, that is average. And basically we are not going to put anything in average. We are just going to put 0 here, just to create a simple field. And you will notice any change in this, that it has created two kind of columns. So for that, let's switch it to entire view, but still we can see that we have this field as average showing separately. And after that, what we are going to do is just put this average filter and put it on the sales, and it's gonna convert it in this sequence. And after that, what we will do is we will convert this marks from automatic to line charts. And what we will finally do is, you can notice that it doesn't look nice. So what we do is just hold the measure names and just put it on the path. It will draw the straight lines, but just we have to increase the size and it will look like rounded bar charts. So however you want to increase, you can do that. And if you want to fit it in the standard view and increase that way, you can do that as well. So let's switch to entire view because this one looks nice, but maybe we have to increase the size a little bit. And if you want to add the gradient colors to it, what we'll do is just hold the control key and hold the measure values and drop it in the colors. So you'll notice that you will get a gradient look like that. And you can just do editing to the colors. Let's say we want this in orange or any solid color. Let's keep it orange and it will appear like that. So this is how we can convert a simple bar chart into a rounded one. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.